Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a safety net. Back up Monika's entire character folder now. Once done, open the game's mod directory and locate the specific sprite and hair asset files so you can edit them directly. Make sure to have an image editor that supports transparency and a plain text editor for metadata. These are essential. You want to edit the assets, not the originals, so keep the backups separate and named clearly. This prevents lost progress and lets you test changes. Now you edit the hair sprites. Import the sprite sheet and work on a duplicate layer so you can undo easily. Once you've isolated the hair, redraw or replace strands while matching canvas size and pixel resolution to avoid jitter. Make sure to preserve transparency and any alpha channels, otherwise the background will show. After visual edits, update metadata or frame indices in the character config so animation frames align. Save exported PNGs with identical file names. Finish by loading the game and checking Monika across expressions and camera angles. You must verify idle, blink, and dialogue frames. Once done, if hair misaligns or jitters, adjust anchor points, layer offsets, or frame ordering in the config file and re-export. Make sure to clear any cache the game uses before retesting. If something breaks badly, restore the backup and repeat the edit in smaller steps so you isolate the issue and fix it without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.